Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And we're here at my house. We got a few things going on with the car. Today my fuel pump came in, door engineering fuel pump stage 2. We're gonna be putting it on the car. I already made a video about this, so if you need to see how to install this pump, go ahead and click on the link above and it will take you to that video. But today, this video is not really about this pump. Today, it's actually something that has to do with those little lights right here. I'm sure you guys have seen people that swap these little lights out. They're pretty cool. These are kind of basic, and honestly the silverish doesn't go with the theme that I'm going for with this car, which is murder it out again for now. But yeah, so we're gonna take these off. We're gonna put some sequential lights on, and those are pretty cool because they line up, you know, sequentially. They'll do that little motion instead of the typical flashing. So we're gonna do these. I'm gonna show you how it's done, and then that's gonna be it for this video. This is actually just about the sequential lights. Just wanted to show you guys that I am putting a pump on this car again. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna want to do here is we're gonna want to remove the mirror. And I have done a video before where I just removed the mirror caps, and we're able to remove the mirror caps just by prying on the back of the mirror cap. But for this particular mod, you're gonna need to go ahead and remove the mirror. And so the way I'm gonna do it is you have to be very easy, but you want a plastic pry tool, preferably something wider, so that you have more surface area and, you know, the pressure is dissipating over a larger surface area. But this is all I've got right now. So what I'm gonna have to do first is I'm gonna go ahead and pry up. And as I pry up, you can use your fingers or you can use another piece of plastic or something to hold it in place. But you want to basically hold it and pry around. Don't use too much pressure because there really is only like a few areas that need all the pressure released. There are a few tabs behind the mirror that need to be freed up. But basically, once you hear that, that means this has been released, and then you can drop it. Now I have the self-dimming mirrors, so I have wires that are connected. I can leave them hanging just like that, and I don't have to touch them at all. If you don't have this, then the mirror cap will, or the mirror will just come right off. The next step, the next thing we want to do is we want to release the mirror cap. And to release the mirror cap, it's actually very simple. There are these little tabs. There's a tab right here, and a tab up here. Now I like to release it from the back by prying from the back, but you can also just squeeze these and you'll be able to release them just as well. I'm going to release from the back because that's the way that I know how to do it, and it's pretty easy. But basically you just want to come around back here, insert your pry tool down the bottom, and there you go. That's how you do that. Alright, and then coming back around to the front of the mirror cap, there are going to be two screws that you want to release. You want to release this screw right here and this one right here. And then there's going to be another one around the back right here. And this is just so that this plastic piece moves, and then we can move this out of the way. So go ahead and take these out. So now you have right here all the screws. Put them somewhere. Now I'm going to show you from this angle. You pull this back and this releases a little bit. Alright, now we take this light and it's going to release like this. There is the connector right there, and you just want to lift this little tab right here. So you can use a small screwdriver, or if you have nails, just lift it a little bit and then pull it. And now you've released the connector. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your new sequential light and you're gonna connect it. And then you're gonna put it in place. And then you make sure you snap everything back into place, and everything's fitting correctly. Everything's snapped into place, and then we're gonna take our screws that we took off and we're just gonna put them back. Alright, now that I've secured it, you grab the mirror cap and put it back in place. And now the mirror cap's in place and you have your sequential lights on. And the last step to all of this is to put the mirror back. You just place it back and push in, and that's it.
Unfortunately, I lost audio for the remainder of the video, but here you can see what the final product looks like. It's a clean and subtle mod, but I think it adds a lot of presence to your car. Anyways, if you liked this video, go ahead and click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.